Hey there friends! This is Naima Sen and this is the first 8 of 2025. First on our list is Tenya na sikat ngayon sa Baguio. First on our meal is our Tenya salad. Fresh naman ang greens topped with potato salad. Malaki ang serving at talaga namang good for sharing. And here's our Asakusa special and all-star Teishoku. Parehas lang ang laman ng tempura, ang difference lang is may rice, salad, and soup ang Teishoku. Okay naman ang tempura, same lang with other restaurant. And here's their ramen komori with chicken karage and ebiten tojiju. Sakto lang ang lasa at sakto lang din ang laman. 3 pieces of prawn nga palang kasama. And for the kids, for sure magugustuhan nila itong chicken and cheese tendon. Malaki ang bowl at talaga naman nag-enjoy ang pamangkin ko. And last, we've tried their gyudon set. Meron siyang thinly sliced beef, salad, and a drink. For its quantity, I think it is fairly priced. Masarap pala yung gyudon. Although, medyo unti lang yung laman ng meat. I think overall, okay naman ang serving ng Tenya. Mabait ang staff at hindi rin naman siya ganun kamahal katulad ng ibang Japanese resto. Ayun lang naman. Sa next food trip ulit. Bye!